Hola Buenas. Today we are in Moncloa and we are walking from here all the way to Parque del Retiro. So without any further ado, let's get started. Empecemos. So the real reason I'm actually doing this walk today is the weather's beautiful and I want to go to the shops. I can't necessarily record in the shops, but yeah, let's see what we can find. We're already at Argüelles, which is cool. I'm just getting over the flu, so if my voice sounds a little bit weird, that's the reason why. The journey time for today is around 45 minutes. I'm actually finding it really difficult to record today because there's so many people out. So eventually we're going to make our way to Gran Via, which is super busy.
Gran Via is not just a metro station. It is the major road between Callao and Banco de España, which are impressive locations in their own right. It is one of Madrid's most iconic and vibrant streets, often referred to as Spanish Broadway due to its numerous theatres and lively atmosphere.
I often forget how close the metro stops are from one another in the centre. You really can notice the difference. We're coming up to Plaza de España now. And here we are back in Plaza de España. Many of my trips have either ended here or started here. I actually crossed the road, not because we need to go this way, we're actually going to go back up that way, but I just thought I'd have a little wander around this area, you know? I must admit it's been a little while since I've been here, very simply because the weather's been so bad and the weather is beautiful today. It's also a really good central point and they've got the big shops around here too. But of course, me living in the northwest, we have La Vaguada, which is a lot closer. So.
Plaza de España is surrounded by notable buildings, including Edificio España, which houses the Rio Hotel in one of Madrid's tallest buildings. Plaza de España marks the western starting point of Gran Via. It features a prominent monument to Miguel de Cervantes, who was a Spanish writer widely regarded as one of the greatest novelists in world literature. Just a personal comment here, depending on how busy it is, I would recommend putting your bag in front and ensuring that you have no valuables in your pockets.
I've made it up to Callao now.
This bustling area is known for cinemas, shops, and entertainment venues. The historic Callao Cinema, now a popular shopping centre, stands out as a landmark. There is also a really cool bistro on the top floor where you can get a drink and look down over Callao's central square. Did you know the area was originally named Avenida de Rusia, or Russian Avenue in English, during its initial planning stages in the 19th century? The idea was to honor the country that had recently allied with Spain during the Spanish-American War. However, the name was later changed to Gran Via, which translates to simply Great Way or Main Street. As mentioned earlier, Gran Via is renowned for its theatres, offering a wide array of entertainment options ranging from musicals and plays to concerts and comedy shows. Some of the notable theatres along the street include Teatro Lope de Vega, Teatro Rialto, and Teatro Lara. Gran Via is a prime shopping destination featuring an assortment of high-end boutiques, department stores, and international chains, from fashion and cosmetic to electronics and souvenirs. You'll find a diverse range of shopping opportunities along this street. The street is dotted with charming cafes, trendy restaurants, and traditional Spanish eateries where you can indulge in delicious tapas and local cuisine. You'll often find that the food along this row is a lot more expensive than in some of the side streets. My recommendation would be to find a side street, as the quality is usually just as good, but the price is better. As evening falls, Gran Via can come alive with a vibrant nightlife, from rooftop bars offering stunning views of the city to cocktail lounges and bustling clubs. There's something for everyone looking to experience Madrid's energetic nightlife scene. This is also the hub from which most of the night buses pass through, and therefore it can make it very easy to travel to and from, whether you're living in Madrid or staying in a hotel. Gran Via truly encapsulates the dynamic spirit of Madrid, blending history, culture, entertainment, and commerce into one captivating street.
And we have finally made it to Parque del Retiro. It's the end of our journey today. I was trying to find somewhere nice and quiet to do an outro, but no matter where I went, there was people everywhere. Finally found a spot. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. Let me know if you learned something new in today's adventure, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.